In previous video, we people have discussed application in biotechnology for agricultural purpose, right? We people have created your BT cotton using Bacillus thuringiensis gene, and lastly, we people have discussed your RNA interference technology, which is also called as mRNA silencing. I hope these both topics are very clear to you people. Now we are going to discuss application of biotechnology in medicine. So what I have written, biotechnology application in medicines. Okay, in this we people have to understand point number 1 is production of human insulin, and this artificially formed insulin is called as humulin. Okay, then we have to understand gene therapy, and then we have to understand molecular diagnosis methods. So first we are starting with production of insulin, जिसको आप क्या बोलो, genetically engineered insulin, which is called as humulin. इसको क्या कहा जाता है, humulin. So before focusing on the topic, we must understand the history first, right? So there are name of certain scientists which I have written, जो आप सभी को याद रखने हैं. Number 1 is your Sharpie Schaeffer. Number 1 is your Sharpie Schaeffer. He was first to express that diabetes is caused by failure of islet of Langerhans of pancreas, which is responsible for secretion of insulin. Now, you people in previous class, right, class 11 have understood pancreas. Am I clear? Pancreas, to be more specific, your islet of Langerhans, right? Alpha cells, beta cells, delta cells, we people know that. To be more specific, beta cells of islet of Langerhans is responsible for secreting insulin, जो कि एक hormone है, right? What insulin does? It decreases your blood sugar level. It increases uptake of glucose uptake by cell. Simple as that. It increases glucose uptake by cell. ठीक है, तो very first that is your Sharpie Schaeffer ने क्या बोला कि diabetes is caused by failure of islet of pancreas to secrete a substance named by him, that is our insulin. That is our insulin. Okay, next what I have written, of course you very well know that insulin is secreted by beta cells of islet of Langerhans of pancreas. ये कोई नई बात नहीं है, आप सभी को पता है, right? So second contribution comes of your Banting and Best. Banting and Best, their contribution was very important, and for the same they won Nobel Prize also. So let's look up what was their contribution. Banting and Best, they succeeded in preparing pure extract of insulin from dog's islets, from dog pancreas, of course with the help of another scientist, that is your MacLeod. That is your MacLeod. वापस से एक बार, your Banting and Best ने क्या करा, they prepare extract of insulin, okay, from dog's pancreas with the help of MacLeod. Okay, and what they demonstrated, they demonstrated that administration of insulin could cure diabetes in human beings. Simple as that. They demonstrated that administration of insulin could cure diabetes in human beings. Simple as that. Okay, so sorry so this was contribution of your Banting and Best. These two scientists are very important, Banting and Best, along with your MacLeod. Okay, now earlier this diabetes was treated by injecting insulin in diabetic patient, but this insulin was obtained from slaughtered cattle and pig. ठीक है, कैटल्स और पिग को मारा जाता था, उनके पेंक्रियास से इंसुलिन निकाला जाता था, एंड दैट इंसुलिन वाज यूज्ड टू ट्रीट डायबिटिक पेशेंट. बट the composition structure of insulin which was obtained from cattle or pig was slightly different in comparison to our insulin, that is human insulin, right? And due to this reason the insulin which is obtained from cattle or pig, they are responsible for causing allergies. They are responsible for causing allergies in human beings. So that is what I have written. Earlier, insulin was extracted from pancreas of slaughtered pigs and cattle. This insulin is slightly different from human insulin and brings about some undesirable side effects such as allergy. ठीक है? So this is history that you should know. सबसे पहले कौन आया आपका? शार्पी शेफर. क्या बोला उन्होंने? That diabetes is caused by failure of beta cells of pancreas, right, due to absence of a substance, जिसको क्या बोला उन्होंने? Insulin. Then comes our Banting and Best. They obtain pure extract from dog pancreas. So these two are very important. Now, before going for genetically engineered insulin, first we should know the structure of insulin, right? Insulin is hormone, आप सभी को पता है. What is function of insulin, वो भी आप सभी को पता है. If I am talking about insulin to be more specific, then it is polypeptide hormone. कैसा hormone है वो? Polypeptide hormone. In the sense it is proteinaceous nature, जिसके building blocks क्या होते हैं? Amino acids. Okay. So if we are talking about structure of insulin, then this insulin is made up of 51 amino acids which are arranged in two chains, chain A and chain B. Okay. So total कितने अमाइनो एसिड्स है बेटा जी? 51 अमाइनो एसिड अरेंज्ड इन टू पॉलीपेप्टाइड चेन. चेन ए में 21 अमाइनो एसिड्स होते हैं, चेन बी में 30 अमाइनो एसिड्स होते हैं. एज यू कैन सी द डायग्राम ओवर हियर, दिस रेड कलर वन इज चेन ए having 21 amino acid. This black color is your second polypeptide chain B which is having 30 amino acid. ऐसे टोटल कितने होते हैं? 51 amino acid. And the gene which is responsible for production of insulin is located on chromosome number 11. कौन से क्रोमोसोम पे होता है? It is located on chromosome number 11. This is important. ठीक है? The gene for insulin production, chromosome 11. Okay. Now, if you are talking about insulin, right, then this insulin is synthesized as prohormone. This insulin is synthesized as prohormone which have an extra polypeptide chain which is called as C-peptide, or it is also called as C-chain. As insulin matures, right, this C-peptide or you can say C-chain धीरे disappears, right, leaving behind chain A and chain B which are joined together by disulfide bond. Simple as that. तो ये जो प्रो हार्मोन है इसको कहा जाता है प्रो इंसुलिन. एंड प्रो इंसुलिन हैव हाउ मेनी चेन्स? 3 chain. Chain A, chain B and chain C. What is chain C? An extra polypeptide chain, right, which is a kind of linker. You can say it as a linker between chain A and chain B. Okay. So here I have drawn this red color portion represents your chain A, black color portion represents your chain B, and as you can see over here, an extra stretch of polypeptide chain, that is your chain C. This is your pro-insulin. What is this? This is your pro-insulin, which is your pro-hormone also. Simple as that. Now, if you are talking about this chain C, right, then this is having 33 amino acids. How many amino acids are there? 33 amino acids are there. As this matures, right, C-peptide goes away, leaving behind 2 chain, that is chain A and chain B. Simple as that. Okay. तो यहाँ पे देखो मैंने लिखा है on maturation. Can you this chain C? यहाँ पे आपको दिखाई दे रही है? No. That chain C is removed, right? Leaving behind chain A and B which are joined together by disulfide bond, as you can see over here. Disulfide bond is formed between sulfur containing amino acid. Yes or no? There are amino acid who contains sulfur. So this sulfur containing amino acid forms disulfide bond. To be more specific location if I want to say, देखो यहाँ पे मैंने जो 7 लिखा है, this is your 7 amino acid. Again this is your 7 amino acid. ये दोनों के बीच में होगी डाइसल्फाइड बॉन्ड. Over here I have written 20 number, 20th amino acid, and over here I have written 19 amino acid. तो ये दोनों के बीच में क्या होगी, डाइसल्फाइड बॉन्डिंग होगी. One more. This disulfide bond is present in chain A also, as you can see. Can you see this? This is number 6 of chain A. This is number 11th amino acid of chain A. This two forms your disulfide bond, as you can see over here, and this is your free C peptide. So there will be removal of your chain C, or you can say it as your C peptide. I hope the structure of insulin is very clear to you people. जो याद रखना है वो ये है, the gene is located on chromosome number 11. प्रो इंसुलिन में कितने चेन्स होती है, 3 चेन, चेन A, B and C. Okay. Let us now discuss the production of human insulin. As I told, there is 3 chain, chain A, B and C. There is no need for chain A. So scientists would have thought, why to synthesize chain A, right? So they just do the process for synthesis of chain A and chain B, which is present in mature insulin. Now in 1983, Eli Lilly company of America, okay, Eli Lilly, an American company, what they did, they prepared DNA sequences corresponding to chain A and chain B. In the sense here we are talking about gene, right? Genes are nothing but your DNAs. So this Eli Lilly company in 1983 made 2 sequences of DNA that codes for formation of chain A and chain B. This DNA sequences they incorporated in plasmids of Escherichia coli. किसके अंदर डाला उन्होंने, plasmid that actually act as your vector. So vector along with this gene, this DNA sequences forms your recombinant DNA. Simple as that. Okay. So what they did, 2 DNA sequences corresponding to chain A and chain B of human insulin. Now they introduced them in plasmids of E. coli for production of insulin chain. Once in E. coli, it undergo processing, right? Transcription, translation, which results in formation of chain A as well as chain B. Okay. Most important point you have to remember that this DNA sequences of 2 chains are introduced in 2 separate Escherichia coli. So one produces chain A and another produces chain B. Am I clear? These chains are then extracted, isolated and purified, and they are given such condition in which they forms disulfide bond. Okay, they are kept together providing proper environment that results in formation of disulfide bond, जिससे बनता है आपका human insulin, which is called as your humulin. So have a look what I have written. Chain A, chain B were produced separately, extracted and combined by creation of disulfide bond, which results in formation of humulin, and this is genetically engineered insulin. Okay, now here I have written the steps for production of human insulin जो आपने पढ़े chapter 11 में. Number 1 is isolation of DNA segment. Gene of interest आपको isolate करना है. Techniques you know that, right? Second step comes formation of recombinant DNA. Here we are going to use same restriction endonucleases for cutting DNA as well as our vector, and finally by using DNA ligase we are going to join this vector and DNA segment, that is our gene of interest, to form recombinant DNA. So this is your second step, formation of recombinant DNA. Of course we are making multiple copies of this recombinant DNA, and for this we people have understood the technique called as पॉलीमरेज चेन रिएक्शन. सो यहाँ पे प्रोडक्शन ऑफ मल्टीपल कॉपीज ऑफ rDNA, स्टेप नंबर 3. फिर क्या करा आपने, यू हैव इंट्रोड्यूस दिस रिकॉम्बिनेंट डीएनए इन रेसिपिएंट ऑर्गेनिज्म से ई कोलाई. किसके अंदर डाला आपने, ई कोलाई के अंदर डाला. एंड लास्ट प्रोसेस इज स्क्रीनिंग ऑफ ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड सेल. ओके, सिंपल एज दैट. फॉर दिस पीपल हैव अंडरस्टूड योर व्हाट selectable marker technique, right, and blue white screening also हमने पढ़ा. And lastly comes your downstream process in which we are going to isolate and purify the product, right. This product undergoes certain quality control test before it is marketed. So these are the steps of human insulin production. So this is the diagrammatic view for explaining how human insulin is produced, right. So this is your Escherichia coli. ये उसका plasmid, ये उसका chromosomal DNA. We have isolated this plasmid over here. This is human cell. ये chromosome है. Say for example, which chromosome number it would be? Chromosome number 11, जहाँ पे ये gene present है which codes for production of insulin, right. So यहाँ से ये gene isolate करा. Okay, by using restriction enzyme we have cut it, which results in formation of sticky ends. Now what we have done, by using an enzyme called as DNA ligase, we have joined this sticky end which results in formation of recombinant DNA, followed by which we have done a process called as transformation. What we have done, a process called as transformation. मतलब we have added this recombinant DNA into host cell, allow this host cell to multiply. So there will be multiplication of recombinant DNA, right. This clones we are kept in a culture bioreactor जो हमने पढ़ा वो, okay, in a culture medium, and finally we will get recombinant insulin. This is the generalized process. लेकिन जैसे कि मैंने आपको बोला, two chains, chain A and chain B are synthesized in two different organisms, in the sense two E. coli, right. So once again, for your explanation, this is one plasmid, okay, this is one plasmid, this plasmid say plasmid A, and this is plasmid B. Plasmid A have DNA sequence which codes for formation of chain A, and plasmid B have DNA sequence which codes for formation of chain B. Okay, now this plasmid we people have, what we have done, we people have transformed into 2 E. coli. Okay, तो ये आपका क्या हो गया, आपका donor, or you can say it as your host. You can say it as your host. ठीक है. Now what happens, this E. coli is responsible for forming, say for example, इसने क्या बनाया, chain A, and this results in formation of chain B. Simple as that. This is recombinant plasmid having DNA sequence for formation of chain A. Transformation करेंगे आप जब यहाँ पे, right. This results in formation of chain A over here and chain B over here. Then what we have do, we have isolated this chain A, we have isolated this chain B, right, and we kept in a suitable medium, we kept the same in a suitable medium where it forms disulfide bond. तो ये हो गया आपका ready humulin. Okay, so this is the process of insulin formation, insulin production. I hope the process is clear to you all people. Thank you.